Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Daza and this is a record for the course English 5. Right now I'm working and I'm going to explain what I'm actually doing in my job. It is not possible to record my screen because for security and safe of the company it is not possible to record that kind of information, but I'm going to explain Um, some things. This company is a company from New York, and I'm working in sales support, more or less. What I have to do, I have to check some issues about products. The products are items for children, like strollers, wagons, cribs, bassinets, play yards, different kind of cribs. And if the customer has a problem with one of the items, for example, a stroller, we have to resolve the issue. What kind of problems could be? I confess, working here is great because I'm learning a lot. I'm working almost just 100% in English, in reading, resolving, and when we have meetings, we talk in English or we are listening in English all the time, listening in English all the time. Um, I enjoy working here. But I was explaining, for example, in a stroller, if there is a problem, and the common problem here is with the wheels. And actually, I was working with a customer who has a problem with the rear wheel because the rear wheel was bent, and then when he tried to drive the stroller on the street, there was a problem. He can drive easily the stroller. Then we have to check the information. We ask him to send out to us some pictures to check what is the problem or what are the problems that we have with this stroller. Shipping information, because if we are going to replace a part, we have to send the part by FedEx or another carrier. We it is just we have to check what is the address to know what kind of carrier is going to uh, ship the item. Another information is proof of purchase, the invoice, the receipt of the purchase, to know the date. If the item is on warranty or is out of warranty, if we are going to send an order, uh, place an order on warranty, it means for free, or we are going to send an invoice for the customer to pay via credit card. Um, then we need to check that information. Another information important is the style number and the manufacturer label. Manufacturer label to know what kind of item is this. If there are many versions, we need to define what is the correct version to send the part if it is needed. If it is not needed, we explain what could be the problem, how to resolve the problem. What else? Um, Basically, those are my my duties here. Is what I'm doing every day. I'm happy right now because I'm doing my job um, in English all the time. I'm determined to learn a lot in this company. I think it's a good opportunity, and I decide to work here until the end of the year. Maybe I'm going to find another job the next year, but I'm right now happy here working. To explain, uh, working here is not easy because there are a lot of different cases, a lot of different issues, inquiries, and we need to resolve them. It's not easy, but it's good because we pay a lot of attention of what the customer is saying. We mm, always push back and back and forth to know uh, what what is going on with the issue. Maybe the customer is not in a good mood when we are talking with them because we need information and they just send to us some information. We need the whole information to resolve the issue. Then, if they send to us the pictures but don't send the receipt of purchase to know what is the date of purchase to place an order, as I said before, on warranty or if it is out of warranty, we need to ask again. Is maybe reaching back the customer again, but it is necessary to do that again. Well, I think it is more than 5 minutes. I hope it is helpful for you. I'm waiting to check my colleagues, my classmates. Thank you and bye.